Good morning, students. Welcome back for online classes. So this is the period of English grammar, class 7, and I started the chapter sentence kinds based on a structure. Lecture was already done. Here we were going on the exercises. So let's continue the exercise once again. I'm just going to focus the camera towards the exercise now. So student, this is your book, English grammar, and now we are just going through the exercise. Clear? So exercises we have done last time up to here. Exercise C was over and exercise D was also over. So we have to start exercise E. Clear? In the following complex sentences, there are more conjunctions than actually needed. In each sentence, cross out the conjunction that is not required. It's mean here we will find more than one conjunctions, and the conjunction which is not required, that conjunctions is to be removed. Clear? Okay. First sentence. Since it was a rainy day, so we decided to not go out. So since it was a rainy day, cut the word so. There is no use of so. Since it was a rainy day, we decided to not go out. Clear? Next. Because he broke the club rules, therefore his membership was cancelled. So because he broke the club rules, cut the word therefore. Remove it, therefore. Okay. So your answer will be because he broke the club rules, his membership was cancelled. Third one. Although we had taken great care, but we still fell short of supplies. So answer will be although we had taken great care, cut the word but, use we still feel short of supplies. Fourth one. Since we have shifted to the new buildings, then things look neat and tidy. So you write, since we have shifted to the new buildings, things look neat and tidy. Clear? Now fifth one. Though he hadn't invited her, and she decided to go to the party. So we write though he hadn't invited her, cut the word and, she decided to go to party. See, though he hadn't invited her, she decided to go to the party. Sixth one. Although the karate tournament was not easy, we could reach the final round. Cut the word and. So your answer will be although the karate tournament was not easy, we could reach the final round. Next one. When you come back from your school, we will go to Aunt Jenny's. Cut the word and. When you come back from school, we will go to Aunt Jenny's. Next, why he ever did such a thing, I simply cannot understand. Cut the word that. Why he ever did such a thing, I simply cannot understand. Although we had planned everything carefully, there were some last minute changes. Although we had planned everything carefully, cut the word but, there were some last minute changes. Last one. When we discussed the matter, he could not give any satisfactory answer. Again cut the word and. When we discussed the matter, he could not give any satisfactory answer. Full stop. Clear? Now this exercise is over. Now exercise F. Complete the two simple sentences into a compound sentence using the word given in brackets. So here in bracket words are given, we have to join. So it's very easy. We have to enter where the full stop is there after first sentence. Then I will read only answer. First answer. Hurry up or you will miss the school bus. Y will be small letter. Hurry up or, this will be or here. He is lazy, so H small letter, he could not complete the work by the deadline. So here so and H will be small letter. They reached in time and bought tickets. Cut the word they. They reached in time and bought tickets. Fourth one. 2 new trains were introduced. Yet there was no decrease in the rush. T small letter there. There was no decrease in the rush. Fifth one. I rang him up, but there T small letter, but there was no reply. I rang him up, but there was no reply. He got a promotion, he is not happy. He got a promotion, yet he is not happy. Yet, H small letter, yet he is not happy. She could not run fast. She had sprained her ankle. She could not run fast as she had, S small letter, as she had sprained her ankle. Bipul cleaned his shoes, he polished them. So Bipul cleaned his shoes as well as H small letter, he polished them. 9-1. The road was not familiar to her. Her service dog guided her and the entire way. The road was not familiar to her, but her H small letter, her service dog guided her the entire way. 10th one. He did not go to school and missed a test. Cut the word his and miss. He did not go to school and missed a test. One. He drew an outline of the picture. Cut the word he, right and filled it with colors. Okay, after picture right and filled it with colors. 10th one. Neither does N-E-I-T-H-E-R, neither does he eat fruits, nor does he drink milk. Once again answer. Neither does he eat fruit, nor does he drink milk. 13. He was in good mood, was humming a popular tune. Cut the word and write he and write and. He was in good mood and then write here and he was humming a popular tune. After and right, he was humming a popular tune. 14. She was tired, she kept on doing her work. She was tired, but she kept on doing her work. 15.1. Usually these children play in the park or in our backyard. Usually these children play in the park or in our backyard. Up to here. So students, exercise E and F today I have done. Clear? And in the next video this exercise will be over. So here the exercises are very lengthy. Again there will be 15 and the 12 statements. It's not possible to do in today. So today I am going to wind up class today up to here. Next time we will begin the next exercise. Now just I am going to wind up the class, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.